Hello! About 9 months ago, I made an add-on, and there's a whole video about that, but basically, now it's irrelevant because as of July 16th, Blender 4.2 actually has the feature by default, which is actually kind of cool. The whole reason I made the add-on was because I wanted the functionality, and now we've got it without any add-ons, which is nice because I still haven't really figured out how the whole add-on thing works in Blender 4.2. But anyways, this is a super cool, although slightly niche feature that allows you to add nice looking drop shadows to text in the video sequence editor. So if you're a video editor, this is for you. So in your text object, there's a nice little checkbox for shadows, and there's an offset and an angle for the offset. I don't really use offset, I usually set that to 0, but the super nice thing is this blur amount, and this just makes things look super nice. But yeah, this tutorial is getting shorter every time I record it, which is probably a good thing. But I just wanted to shout out Game Directions, I think is the guy's name, who actually made a little fork thing of my add-on. I don't know what it's called, but he basically made it a lot better back in March, and I've just found that super handy. But like I said, now it's irrelevant. But anyways, I usually cover visual effects on this channel, and if you're a visual effects artist, I have a gift for you, and that's these seamless looping smoke elements. And these are super handy for all sorts of things. I've used them for like campfires and smokestacks and like distortion fields and stuff like that. Super fun, super useful. There's a link in the description for those if you want to get them for free. And also in the description, there's a link to my seamless concrete texture pack, which if you buy that, it supports the channel. So thank you very much. I bet you're wondering how I got up in this tree. And the answer is, I'm stuck.